Hi, Sherry. Thanks for getting back to me. I wanted to show you what I was talking about with the links and what some of the other sellers are talking about with the links. And the easiest way for me to do that is a video so you can actually see it. So I am a seller that has 340 products in my store. I am in the top 500 when we still could see the ranking, and I tend to talk with other sellers, and most of us have very similar systems for how we handle our large amount of products. If you're someone who only has 5 or 10 products, it's not as big of an issue to highlight, hyperlink. In fact, you'd actually like the new editor because it makes it much easier for you. Though for us who've been selling for years and years and also have hundreds and hundreds of products, we've had to find other ways instead of making hyperlinks every time. This Excel sheet right here is the most common one used by your top sellers. It's actually a free download that another seller offers. And as you can see, I have every single resource and bundle in my store in here sorted by category as well. And the way most of your sellers are using this is all you have, I just made this, now this is for the new links, but all you would have to do is type your product name, so test product, and you put the product link here and it was generating our hyperlinks automatically for you. So what you can see is I have an entire list of all my hyperlinks. So what I used to be able to do is say I'm wanting to, I'll use an example one over here, on my percent markup and markdown maze, and I want to edit that. So let me bring up it in the old editor. Oopsies. Oh, Teaks posters. And I'm going to go to the old editor here. And what I'd have to do, all I'd have to do is say I wanted to link it to all of my real numbers resources. So of course I used to have to use HTML for bolding, so I would do strong and I'd do real numbers resources. The bolding is much easier in the new editor. I would agree with that. So I find my real numbers resources here, wherever they are. There we go. And say it's these 6. I grab the 6 hyperlinks, I copy them, I paste them, I submit, and now I have my 6 hyperlinks right there ready to go. As I said, if you're a small seller who's only making 1 or 2 hyperlinks at a time, typing in the new text, highlighting it, and hyperlinking it isn't hard. But for those of us who have 100 products, now we're forced to go back. And as you can see, I've added a new column to my spreadsheet called New Links. And I'm slowly having to populate this. You're talking about sellers that have 600, 700. There's people who have over 1,000 products. Another thing people use this exact same spreadsheet or something very similar for is they use it for blog posts. So they'll put their blog post name, they'll put the blog post link, and then they have the HTML for all their blog posts. I know people that have hundreds of blog posts, hundreds of affiliate links. They use this same thing. Now, whenever we want to do that, we have to make new ones, or we have to do the highlight in the edit. I also do something very similar for my custom categories. You can see I've started making the new ones, but now that I know they don't copy properly over from Word, that makes this a little hard. But it used to be able, if I wanted to link to my custom 6th grade math category, all I had to do was highlight this, put it in that old editor, and I would have the HTML properly there. I can show you that really quick. So all I'd have to do, like I said, is copy this HTML that I had pre-populated, put it right here, and my custom category for whatever I chose, 6th grade math activities. The link is here, properly text, properly formatted, and it links straight to my 6th grade math category. So I hope this gives you a little bit better of an idea. I do have some other sellers who are kind of upset about the HTML disappearing, to be honest. I can have them make similar videos for you if you'd like, so you can see how they're using hyperlinks, because of course it's going to be a little different for everyone. If you just want to email me back and let me know, I'd love to open a discussion about this, because this is definitely scary for us larger sellers who have hundreds and hundreds of products. Thank you so much for your time and all you do. Have a great day.